Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate edX with LinkedIn for professional programs, detailed guide step by step clearly. To authenticate edX with LinkedIn for professional programs, begin by navigating to the edX website. Log into your edX account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on your profile icon to open the drop-down menu. Select Account from the menu options. In the Account settings, scroll down to find the Linked Accounts section. Click on the Connect button next to LinkedIn. A pop-up window will appear, prompting you to log in to your LinkedIn account. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and click on the Sign In button. You may be asked to grant permissions for edX to access certain information from your LinkedIn profile. Review the permissions and click Allow if you agree. Once permissions are granted, you will be redirected back to the edX account settings page. Check the Linked Accounts section again to confirm that LinkedIn is now connected. You will see your LinkedIn profile information displayed in this section. To finish, explore how this connection can enhance your experience with edX professional programs. Your LinkedIn account will now be linked to your edX profile, allowing for seamless sharing of achievements. This connection can also help you network and showcase your learning to potential employers. You have successfully authenticated your edX account with LinkedIn. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.